But first, some disturbing new information. Federal health officials just announced that the Omicron variant made up 73% of new COVID cases last week. And Ohio health officials are now saying we all will get COVID, vaccinated or not.
Up to now, breakthrough cases made up a very small minority of positive cases. But with that new Omicron variant spreading, that is changing. Isabel Lawrence spoke with doctors who shared that stark message.
To be clear, you will get COVID. If you can hear my voice right now, you will get COVID.
It's more of a when than an if.
Even if you've done everything right throughout the pandemic, and as frustrating as this may seem, you likely will be infected at some point.
The fast-spreading Omicron, overlapping with Delta, is making breakthrough cases more common and changing the way we should be thinking about COVID.
Our vaccines are no longer able to prevent infection at a reliable rate any longer. A 2-dose vaccine sequence is only about 20% effective at preventing an Omicron infection.
With the booster, Dr. Iahn Gonsenhauser, Chief Quality and Patient Safety Officer at Wexner Medical Center, says that goes up to 55 to 80%. A reminder of how much more contagious Omicron is.
The Omicron variant is about 5.5 times more contagious than Delta, which was approximately 3 times more contagious than the original coronavirus.
Even for the fully vaccinated, the virus is no longer fully preventable.
Question is, when you get COVID, how is it going to be?
Dr. Amy Edwards at UH Rainbow Babies and Children's Hospital says it's about taking measures to prevent the worst effects.
Are you going to have mild disease fully protected by the vaccine that you almost don't even notice it? Or are you going to come visit me in the hospital?
Getting vaccinated and masking can decrease the chances of a severe COVID infection, actions and decisions that could make all the difference down the road.
Omicron is very contagious. We all need to think about how do we want to have COVID and how do we want our families to have COVID.
Now, I know this news can sound scary, but the doctors I spoke to today said this is not reason to panic. Again, if you're taking these precautions, if you've gotten your vaccine, you've been boosted, you're wearing your mask, you're social distancing, you're washing your hands, then you are doing everything you can to prevent severe cases of COVID-19. In Cleveland, Isabel Lawrence, 3 News.
All right, Isabel, strong words from doctors tonight. Thank you.